February 18, 2015. It's about 12:46 p.m. It's snow outside. It's pretty cold weather, and I'm calling. Today's market is showing about 1,856 loads in this 100-mile, well, actually 1,888. They are going up basically because there are not enough trucks who can get here. A lot of people won't run in the snow, and it is Bordentown 100-mile radius, 1,888 loads. Basically, it is a 8-to-1 truck market, and I'm gonna call Bnsf Logistics on 888-927-8849. The trash has been blocking my phone call for 3 days. This is my third day here. I'm gonna call the desired in a bad market. Shipper asked for $800. Today's market, at least it should be $2.25 to 40 cents a mile, which comes out to be $13.76 or $1,400. There's a deadhead to go pick up. I didn't calculate that in there, and not calculating the cold and snow. Let me just call them. Normally the people don't have to do this because trash is not on their phone, so I have to do it, all this procedure, because trash is such a big liar piece of shit that you can't just trust them with any minor thing. So I start with the full recording. BK, Bnsf, NJ2NC, save, dialing. There's Bnsf.
Bnsf Logistics, Melanie.
Hi, Melanie. Hey, checking up on your Jamesburg, New Jersey to Charlotte, North Carolina.
Do you have a reference number for me?
507-4455.
Okay, that is a one pick, one drop. Picks up today between the hours of 11 a.m. and 4 p.m. First come, first serve. It will deliver into Charlotte. Tomorrow we will schedule the delivery appointment according to your driver's ETA. It is a full load of plastic bottles weighing 4,500 pounds. It does require a 53-foot food-grade dry van with swing doors, and it pays $650.
Wow. In the snow and extremely cold weather, $650 for 600 miles. Yeah, well, I can't really negotiate from this point. Thank you very much. Bye. Well, you heard that the trash picked up the phone. She wants $650 on a 600-mile run, and in the snow, and there is barely any trucks on in the yard. If you see, it's all empty, and there is snow sitting right there. Now the loads here, I just as I showed you earlier, how many loads are there in New Jersey, and they are going up. It's 1,888, and it is 100-mile radius. That was trash picking up the phone. You know it.